Hi friend, now meet our sensor faucet. The material is brass material. It can also be stainless steel 304 and 316. Like the aerator, we use the Newport brand. And for the power supply, you can use the AC, DC type, and also AC and DC. Like the finish, we can use this finish, like the brush nickel, brush gunmetal, brush gold, and ZR brush gold, and also other PVD finish and electric plated finish. These are all anti-fingerprint. For this model, we already got watermark and CE for the Australian market and the European market. This model we have different height, like 175, 285, and also 315. Which height do you like to prefer? Except the back-mounted installation, we also have the wall-mounted installation. I will show you later. For this model, it is more used in public areas like the airport and the public bathrooms. We can customize the package for you, lettering the logo free of charge, and also customize the warranty card and the installation menu. For the warranty, we will provide 7 years for the main body, 18 months for the electrical parts, 3 years for the finish like the PVD, and 5 years for chrome and brush finish, 1 year for the electric plated finish. Hi friend, meet our sensor kitchen faucet. The material is PVR brass, also lead-free, and the material can also be stainless steel 314. The material can also be stainless steel 304 and stainless steel 316. The finish can be also different finish like the matte black, chrome, ZR brush gold, brush nickel, and antique brass. It is also pour-out function, and the nozzle can be 360 degree moving. The bevel is swivel. The sensor function, when you wave your hand over here, it will close and open. The nozzle is with two functions, flow rate. Also, you can use the menu, cold and hot. This model is already watermark certified for the Australian market. If you are from other countries, what certificate you need, we can also apply it for you.